Welcome to this explainer. Let's take a mathematically real 100-year jump straight into 2126. Ready?
So how do we actually jump a century forward? Well, science gives us two grounded options.
We either use relativistic time dilation in physics or biological biostasis through extreme cryopreservation.
To compress 100 Earth years into one subjective year, you gotta travel at 99.995% light speed.
Biologically, vitrification freezes you below -150 degrees Celsius right after legal death, dodging lethal ice crystals.
Boom, you made it. But Earth's climate has completely changed, driven by decades of severe thermal inertia.
If we followed a high emissions path, expect severely acidic oceans and global temps 4 degrees hotter.
Sea level rise is wild but localized. Louisiana sinks, while glacial rebound actually pushes polar lands up.
Okay, but what about the people? Well, by 2084, humanity reaches its absolute global peak. We'll hit 10.3 billion people before slowly dipping down to 10.2 billion by the century's end.
Demographics totally flip. China shrinks down to 633 million, while sub-Saharan Africa booms past 3.8 billion.
This fuels completely unprecedented megacities. Lagos, Nigeria could hold a staggering 100 million residents alone.
Or we might ditch dense cities entirely for decentralized, self-contained arcologies that rely on virtual presence.
Looking beyond Earth, our cosmic footprint has vastly expanded across the entire solar system.
Over 1 million humans live off-world now, from automated orbital factories to bustling Martian colonies.
But conquering this entire system requires immense speeds, and honestly, traditional chemical rockets just won't cut it.
To cross these vast distances, we absolutely have to rely on advanced nuclear and antimatter propulsion.
So you've survived the physical journey to a world run by quantum computing and autonomous AI.
But the real danger here? It's psychological. The human cost of sudden time travel is incredibly severe.
You're slammed by future shock, that dizzying, profound disorientation of too much change arriving way too fast.
Every landmark is gone. Social norms are totally alien. You're permanently isolated in a transhuman world.
Science proves we can physically get there, but could you really survive the profound loneliness of the destination?